Everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Unique Designs by Tonya, and today's tutorial is going to be on blinging out a wine glass. I am going to show you a clip of the beginning, the middle, and the end result. So if you like this channel, please like, subscribe, and comment at the bottom, and please turn your notification bell on just in case you want to see my upcoming videos, because there's a lot more coming out. But in the meantime, I am going to get started on this. I'm going to show you all the supplies and stuff that I use, and we're going to get started, and I'll show you the colors that I will pick out because I have so many colors. But they choose a few colors, and they told me to guess on the second one, so they said surprise them, so I will. So in the meantime, tune in to this channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you watch the whole video. It'll help me out on my videos. But if you like more of these videos, please comment in the bottom. Thank you. Okay, everyone, I am done with this glass. Look how beautiful that is. Now you can get it personalized on the other side or whatever you want on the glass. You just need to let me know if you want it personalized. I let people decide what they're going to put on the back of it, but this is the front, and it's beautiful, beautiful finish. Look at that. And like I said, you can do it with any color rhinestones that you want. I get my rhinestones from Amazon, Blingology. Um, so just, you know, it's very easy to do. You know, it don't take that much time. Like I said, E6000 glue. You can get a little pencil. They do send you those when you order rhinestones sometimes. I do have the little clear picks that I do buy, you know, on the side. But these, like I said, this here is a 22 ounce. I think this is a 20 ounce um, wine glass with a stem. Some come without the stem. I think I have one without the stem. And see, I got one without the stem and one with the stem. So you can You know, if you like the ones with the stem, you can get the ones with the stem. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please turn your notification bell on so you can get uploaded on new videos that I will be putting out very soon. Um, Getting more content together on all the crafting that I do like to do. So with that being said, thank you for tuning in with me, showing you how to bling out a wine glass. And if you like more of those videos, like I said, please leave me a comment below. And I will see you the next time. Bye bye, you guys.